Ever wonder how to navigate the maze of growing a personal training business? Well, it's no secret that it can be a challenge, but the right tools can make a world of difference. One such tool is TrueCoach. Picture this, a platform that not only simplifies your operations, but also helps you create a unique online presence. That's TrueCoach for you. Your profile on TrueCoach is essentially your online storefront. So make sure it's a mirror reflection of your expertise and passion. Include striking photos, your qualifications, and your unique training philosophy. But that's not all. You can also use TrueCoach to create a blog or a website. Share your knowledge, tips, and tricks with potential clients and become a trusted fitness expert. Now let's talk about one of the most significant features of TrueCoach, the Workout Builder. This tool gives you the power to create personalized workouts for each client. Customizing workouts shows your dedication to their success and your willingness to cater to their individual needs. And while you're at it, don't forget the importance of tracking. TrueCoach simplifies the process of tracking your client's progress. This valuable data helps you identify what's working and what needs tweaking. Plus, it gives you a tangible way to share progress with your clients, keeping them motivated and engaged. Communication is another vital aspect of growing your business. With TrueCoach, you can easily stay in touch with your clients. Send messages, emails, or even video chat. Building relationships has never been easier. Now, how about marketing your business? TrueCoach has got you covered with a variety of marketing tools. Reach new clients, grow your email list, and boost your social media presence, all with the help of TrueCoach. To top it all off, you can start with the TrueCoach free plan. It's a great way to explore the platform and see how it can benefit your business. And as your business grows, you can upgrade to a paid plan that offers even more features. But don't stop there. Consider offering free trials or consultations to give potential clients a taste of your services. Network with other personal trainers, stay current with the latest fitness trends, and most importantly, be patient and persistent. Growing a personal training business is not an overnight process, but with hard work, great service, and TrueCoach, you're well on your way to success. May your journey be filled with growth and gratification.